Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite sister girl, Tanya Latrice. I'm back with another video for y'all today, girl. As you can see, I look a hot mess. And we're about to take care of that right now, y'all, because it is a wash day, Pixie refresh routine that we're about to do right now because y'all know I just took out my micro braids and look at my head. Look at it. It looks a hot ass mess, so we're about to take care of that. Today we are using some of my favorite products. If you have seen my last wash day routine video, then you saw this product before. One of the best products I love to use if you are a natural girly or if you're a relaxed mommy. You can definitely use the cholesterol conditioner, y'all. This is a very old school staple. It's like $6-7 for this size on Amazon. So yeah, and for the shampoo and conditioner, I like to shampoo my hair twice. So we're going to be using the Monday. Y'all probably have seen this all over TikTok. So we're going to be using that today. We're going to shampoo our hair. It's the repair keratin for dry and damaged hair. And then the conditioner is the same thing. So we're going to use both of those. And then after we shampoo with that shampoo, we're going to also follow it up with the Oregon Oil Morocco. Y'all know that I use this oil on my hair when I style my pixie cut. And yeah, so that's what we're about to do. I have my dimming brush, got my towel. So yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get right into this wash day routine. And then we're going to mold our hair and style it.
Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight and on silent. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you can sit up and miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having this place on nothing, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having this place on nothing, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me,
That was a much needed shampoo and condition. Now it's time to do a deep condition. But before we do that, let's brush through and see, y'all, because it seemed like I lost a lot of hair. But let's see. No, we didn't lose too much, huh? You know how it is when you take your braids out and it just seems like a lot of hair is coming out. But I don't think we did. It still looks pretty good, pretty healthy. So now let's go ahead and put in the cholesterol conditioner. This is my favorite conditioner, y'all. And hold on. Look at that consistency. Okay, so you need this in your life. If you need a good deep conditioner, you do need this cholesterol conditioner in your life. And I definitely apply a lot. Okay. Especially since I haven't had a relaxer in like 4 weeks. And y'all, my hair grows extremely fast. So my hair in the back is already kind of curly. But as you can see, when you put this conditioner in, it's very, very thick in your head. You see that? It's very, very thick in your head. So yeah, let's go see what that looks like. Still do the old bag trick, honey. Y'all already know what time it is. If you have those grocery bags, put them on top of your head. There we go. We're gonna let that set for we going for 30 minutes to an hour. So, and I'll be back once I rinse it out, and we can go ahead and mold.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm cheese, beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of what you way. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely in the room. Make it slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone.
Hey y'all, hey, we are back, y'all. We are all dried. I have already added my products, which is the Blue Magic. I told y'all I have been using Blue Magic on my hair, girls. So I'm telling you right now, ladies, if you want a longer holding curl, if you want to wake up the next morning and your curls are still there, nice, soft, shiny, and just ready to be restyled, use this. I also resprayed a little bit more of this on there. Y'all saw me spray this on there before I molded. So yeah, girl, let's get right into curling it. I do need, disclaimer, I do need a relaxer. So yeah, this is like just curling your hair with like a pixie cut with new growth. Cause girl, look, I have a ton of new growth. So yeah, let's get right into curling this hair. We're gonna do a cute little like pin up, like pixie tight curl.
It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you even said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you there.
Okay, y'all, so we are all done with our pixie cut hairstyle, honey. This is the little tight, cute Betty Boo look that I wanted to try out, y'all, and I absolutely love it. Tell me what y'all think about it. Now, mind you, I really don't know what the back look like, but anywho, it's time for a relaxer. Just ordered one from off of Amazon. Y'all know I only use Dark and Lovely. Also ordered a Dark and Lovely hair dye, so don't come for my grays. But yes, girl, we are all done. It looks absolutely amazing. My back is so thick, so it's not laying down properly. But honey, everything else looks absolutely amazing, y'all, and I absolutely love it. So let me know what y'all think about it down in the comment section below. And until the next video, I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.